to take this 2.5 ton ream out and replace it with a 2.5 ton carrier. Got the new system hung. Just have to go ahead and duct it in, solder it in. High voltage, low voltage. Install the heater, drain line. And we're gonna blow out these lines. Look at the lines, guys. Clogged artery. That's how your drain line is. Whenever you're leaking in the house, that's what it looks like. So moving right along. Been here about an hour. Got the old equipment snatched out. The new one hung in place. Now it's time to go to work. This is what I used to blow that drain line. High pressure nitrogen. I'm gonna put the hose in there, turn on the nitro, and clear out that line. Also, we're gonna flush out the copper lines, and this is what we're gonna use to flush out the copper lines. We're converting it over from R22 to 410A refrigerant. Just a quick video, guys, to show you day to day what I do for a living. Anybody that's new to my channel, I am an AC tech by trade. Just took out a 2.5 ton ream and replaced it with a 2.5 ton carrier front return 14 SEER 410A system with an 8K heat strip. On to the next one. Just gotta clean up a little bit and I'm out of here. Guys, have a great day.
Guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup.